Hello everyone, my today's video is going to be about some interior decorating items I've bought over the years, and a lot of people have given me feedback that they really like them, and it just goes to show that if you don't have too much in your house and just bring out the art piece which you've got, like for example I've got this on the wall, then it brings attention and peace to the house. So as you can see, this is my dining room, and I bought this piece of art from Oslo Mela in the year 2000. There was a Pakistani artist there from Lahore, and he sells these art pieces in Chenwan. And he was very disappointed when he came here. Actually, he said he's never gonna come again because no one was buying his art, and I just thought we should appreciate our culture and appreciate our artists. So I bought this from him for, I think it was about, in the year 2000, it cost 2000 krones or something like that. So I asked him about it, and he said that he's used all kinds of materials like wood, rope, and traditional embroidery, mirror work on this, bells, and as you can see the traditional design over here. And it's quite heavy when you lift it up, so we've got a screw in the wall to hold it up there. Well, usually people have like pictures of family or like a section or showpiece here with a lot of dishes in it. So I've just got that on the wall, so it just really brings calm and a sense of longing, like you miss your home country. And when you see traditional things like this every day, it gives you a sense of your own culture. So the second piece of art I'd like to show you is this statue of a lady I bought in London from TK Maxx, which, as you guys know from my former videos, is one of my favorite shops in London. And I've just got this, as I said, I haven't got too much going on this wall over here, which is one of the walls of my front room or living room. I've got the piano at the bottom with this traditional leather little seat, and up here on a shelf I've got this art piece, and I like to think of it as a lady just closing her ears, looking down, just trying to connect with her inner self, with her inner peace and tranquility. Well, some of my guests and friends have said it's just someone sitting there leaning their chin on their hands. But that's the nice thing about art, like you can take it how you want. Everyone just interprets it differently. And the third and final piece which I'm showing you guys today is this beautiful calligraphy that I bought on a charity fundraise actually, and it's an ayat from Surat Rahman. I just have it in the main sitting area over here, and as you can see I haven't got much going on the wall around it. So please give me comments on how you like the video, and I'll be posting up some more videos about how you can use simple things and simple decorations, and they can be traditional, they can be from Islamic traditions, and just keep it simple and don't have too much going on, so it'll not only look beautiful but it'll always give you a sense of peace as well.